Down trees toppled into this lot, with this tree blocking a major pathway, are just some of the effects of the flooding here in Van Cortlandt Park and the Van Cortlandt Park cross-country trail caused by Hurricane Ida that swept through the tri-state area, with cleanup efforts now underway.
We have our team helping to restore some of the paths and the trails that we often utilize here at Van Cortlandt Park. So we're super excited to be able to give back to a park that has been very welcoming and open to us using the park year-round.
Brandon Hall, a senior at Fordham University and captain of the track and field cross-country team, explains the damage to the trails.
We have a ton of runoff debris that's in the middle of the path, making it difficult for runners or walkers to catch their footing. And I think that's what we're trying to address today. We're trying to make the paths a little bit cleaner, kind of restore the path from the damage from what we saw from Ida.
And that's just the trails.
During Hurricane Ida, we experienced unprecedented flooding throughout the park. We have Parks Department working diligently overnight and throughout the day, clearing those trees, cutting them, removing them from the trails so all our parkies can be back into the park.
A park with a recorded history that dates back to the 14th and 15th century, the city eventually purchased it from the Van Cortlandt family in the 1880s for public parkland. And with a history so rich, it's the goal of the Van Cortlandt Park Alliance to see that damages caused be repaired.
We've had tremendous amount of flooding at the lake where it has overflowed its embankment and flooded our wetlands, creating a new path.
As far as the cross-country trail used for practice and competitions for Fordham and area high school teams, Hall explains how they're working to make things safer.
So that involves taking out runoff from the water outlets, putting it back in the path and replacing it to even out and make the path more even with less divots, and so it's safer for everyone to use.
The Van Cortlandt Park Alliance is inviting those who want to volunteer in Hurricane Ida cleanup efforts to go to vancortlandt.org. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Mukoko.